Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about this product name is Bloom Energy Drink. You should consume this drink regular basis or not. Is this brand good or not? So in this video we are going to cover this energy drink and this brand. What are the things you need to keep in your mind before using this product and before buying this product? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is very popular. They are approx 7 to 8 years from now. You can see 7 years from now. bloomnu.com is the official website, and there lots of products are very popular, and this one product is also very popular, Bloom Energy Drink. So basically in this energy drink, what you will get, you can see on your screen, like when you search this on internet like Bloom Energy Drink, you will see in the one you can see like one energy drink pack there is a lots of amount of caffeine. You can see like over here energy drink 100 mg 180 mg of natural caffeine. Okay, so basically if you use this caffeine drink occasionally or in some period of time, in between period of time, like one day, after 2 or 3 days, after 4 or 5 days, this drink is really good. This drink really give you energy. This drink really, you can like give you lots of boost in your energy. Okay, but if you regularly take this energy drink after a period of time like approx 10 to 15 days or 20 days, it will not work. It will not give you so much boost in your energy level. Okay, because your body will, you can like adjust according to this, you can like drink. Okay, so after a period of time it will not going to give you any kind of boost. So I would like to suggest you should use this drink only for occasionally. Okay, and if we talk about like what are the side effects of regular taking energy drinks, so these are the side effects like insomnia and headache and increased risk of dehydration. These are the you can like common side effects if you are going to use this kind of energy drink regularly, consistently. So this is the main issue. Okay, and if we talk about what are the safe doses, like what are the safe you can say like dose for per day, according to per day, so basically you can see the Google is also providing the same answer. You should not use you can say like not more than 1 or 2 you can say like cans in a day. You should use these kind of drinks only for occasionally. Okay, you can say like only occasionally rather than indefinitely or inconsistently daily days. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.